tripping. How the fuck I'm tripping when I left the key in the car?
Heavy.
Motherfucker see me.
Pull up on your block, then I bleed it. Slide. If I don't drop something, I can't leave it. Walk got me pulled, but this tech got him leaning. Never let the beat get cold, it's the meaning. Fucking handgun, bitch, I brought a Mac in. Gotta.
If you don't watch the full damn video, I know some.
What's up, you guys? And I'm back, man. I'm in a sticky situation right now. It really ain't no sticky situation, you feel me? It just, alright, so you know, we chillin'. I woke up this morning, I'm chillin', you feel me? Spence called me, he was like, bruh, get up. He called me, he told me to get up, come outside and shit like that, alright? So we chillin', we talking for a little minute, you feel me? And these boys say, come on, bro, we finna go to the store. Alright, so the store is walkable. It's a walkable way to the store. Like, it's not that far from my house. The store is like walking distance from my house, you feel me? It's walking distance. And they tell me to come on, so I'm like, alright. I run outside. They were like, where your shoes at? I was like, we going to the store, right? You feel me? Cause we going to the store right there. They said we gonna go to the store. That's the only thing I heard. Them niggas said, that's the only thing them niggas said. They said, T-Man, we finna go to the store. I said, well shit, I don't need to put on no shoes. We just going to the store, right? They were like, yo, come on. So I get in the car. These motherfuckers drive past the store. I'm looking like, hold up. Alright, so when you come out my neighborhood, it's like it's a store going this way and it's a store going this way. And I thought they were going to the store going this way, to the left. I thought they were going to their store, but they didn't. They went the other way, so I'm thinking, shit, maybe we going to the other store, you feel me? Then nigga pull off and get on the highway. I'm like, what the fuck going on? And these motherfuckers, so I'm chilling, right? They saying we going to take some shoes back to Journeys, you feel me? We going to take some shoes back. I think it was his little sister's shoe. He took the shoe with him. They gone in the place right now, but y'all finna see what the place is in a few minutes. Just keep listening. So we driving, and if you know Jackson, you know where Pearl is. These niggas, Pearl is nowhere near my house. I live south. These niggas go all the way to Pearl. I'm thinking, what the these niggas got going? So I'm chilling in the car, you feel me? These niggas pull up at the mall. The outlet mall, bro. That shit really pissed me off, bro. I'm probably finna do a prank. I can say I lost the key. I just came up with this. I just thought of this out of nowhere. I can say I lost the key. And I'ma sit at the back. So I gotta sit at the back. Cause look, when he was driving, I was sitting at the back seat, but I got in the front seat cause he gave me the key. He was like, you want me to leave the key, bro? I was like, yeah. So I'm finna sit at the back, and when he come back, I'm finna say, bro, you wanna, he gonna be like, where the key at? I'm gonna unlock the door and everything. So I'm gonna unlock the door. The door is openable. He gonna ask me where the fuck the key at. I'm gonna be like, oh no. Did you put the key in here, bro? That's exactly what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say, bro, did you put the key in here? Where can I put the key though? Where can I put the key? Shit, I gotta hide that bitch good. I might hide that bitch under here. Look, here go the keys right here. I'm just gonna put the keys under here, you feel me? I'm gonna have his ass. Thinking I don't know what this shit is. He finna freak out, YouTube. He finna freak out. I really want to see my camera somewhere. I thought somebody was finna come part by this. Where can I set my camera? I want to set the camera. He gonna be like, I'm just gonna feel like I'm vlogging. Alright, so YouTube, Tiggs just called me. He was like, Jabez over there tripping at the register, you feel me? Jabez couldn't say his email out to the lady at the register. He tripping, basically he tripping. So I just told Tiggs, he called me. I told him, I said, bro, I'm finna do a prank on Jabez. I'm finna tell him that basically, I mean, it really ain't, I lost his keys. It's like, bro, I don't know where your keys at, bro. I didn't see you throw no keys in here. That's basically what I'm gonna be saying. You feel me? And we gonna see if he if he fall for it, you feel me? I hope he fall for it. I really want to set the camera up somewhere. But I might just have it like down here. He gonna think I'm doing a prank if he see the camera though. That's the thing about it. He gonna know I'm doing a prank. Alright, so I just called Tigers. I told Tigers to record on the slick. This finna be so funny, bro. Cause I wanna see his reaction. That's all I wanna see. I wanna see, is he gonna try to go off? Is he gonna be like, T-Man, I did leave the keys, bro? I'm gonna be like, bro, I was sitting back here the whole time. I ain't see no keys, bro. I hope Tigers don't get the recording wrong. He should know by now that when you record on YouTube, you gotta, you know. But I can flip it, but it's still gonna be fucked up. He just need to record right.
What the fuck?
Didn't she? What's she say about the card?
She said you need the card to get the stuff.
Yeah, she said I need the card to yeah, but I'm putting the other. Okay. I'll go back now.
You left the key?
Where the key, nigga? I gave you the key.
You ain't give me no key.
I just gave you the key.
Bro, you did not give me no key, bro.
So I ain't leave the key here.
Oh, God, you didn't.
What the fuck, no key?
I don't know. Oh, bro, you ain't leave no key.
Oh, God, I left the key in the car.
Where you put it at?
You tripping.
Damn.
What the fuck, man? I swear to God, I left the key in the car.
I don't remember you leaving no key.
I swear to God, I said, you want me to leave the key in the car?
You tripping, Jermaine.
Damn.
You tripping, fam.
I'm sitting back here the whole time. I ain't see no key.
I swear to God, duh. I left the key in the car.
Ain't no way.
The man been tripping all day, fam.
Oh, God. Bro, check your pockets or something.
Come on, Jermaine.
I left it in the car.
Bro, you sure? Bro.
You tripping.
How the fuck I'm tripping when I left the key in the car?
Bro, I ain't see no key, bro. I've been sitting back here the whole time.
What the fuck, Jermaine? Alright, bro.
I swear to God, I'm not.
Go back in the store and look for that bitch, bro.
It ain't in the store.
Bro.
I ain't take no key with you.
You tripping.
Tripping, bro.
Oh, fuck I'm mad. Y'all leave me at that.
Check the trunk.
The fucking key in the damn car.
Alright, so the prank gone wrong, bro. I ain't had the keys right, bro. Damn! I knew I wasn't gonna find no good ass spot. I should've just kept them bitches in my pocket. That's really what I should've just did. Just kept them bitches in my pocket.
Man, God, man.
You were tripping the fucking
You were
store,
tripping,
nigga.
Jabin.
Mama, they
Listen, bro.
And you couldn't even say your email out to the lady.
But, Tim, man, I swear to God, you know how you high talking, bro?
This nigga talking slow as a
yeah.
motherfucker, TV.
Man,
This alright.
man, the man got a bullet hole in his jacket.
Hey, look though, fuck all that. Fuck all that.
Go to the joystick, bro.
Man, I'm in that bitch trying to tell this bitch my damn
Yeah.
email and shit. She in the building.
You making faces at me, bro.
Oh, God.
Oh, God.
I'm looking
Me
like,
mugging his ass.
I'm looking like,
God, like this.
you know, I'm trying
How
to
you
be
looking,
like,
bro?
Oh, God.
nasty bitch. So I'm a little bit like, damn, bitch. Alright. So, my bad.
He didn't get outside. He can't find the keys.
I get outside, I'm leaving the keys with high bitch back here. I asked him twice. I asked him twice before I get out the car.
Yeah.
You want me to leave the key with the T? Man, yeah. I put these bitches right here. I swear to God, I put these bitches right here, cuz. How the fuck they end up in the back under the mat? My nigga hiding them bitches
I
and
don't
shit.
know, man.
He hiding them bitches and shit, trying to lock us out the car and shit. Look.
Oh, shit.
Oh God, how the fuck you gonna hide? They ain't gonna say I don't know. And they back there with you.
I should have just kept them bitches in my pocket, bro.
And they back
Just kept them bitches back there in my pocket. I was tripping.
Get what you did. I should have kept them in my pocket. Why the look, I asked them when I got in the car, I said, T-Man, where the keys? I left them with you. I don't know, you ain't leave them. I ain't seen them.
But look, you wouldn't have found it if I left it in my pocket, though. You wouldn't have found it if I left it in my pocket.
I ain't never seen those.
Bro, they heard everything, bro.
What the?
Teasers were recording.
What the?
Teasers were recording, bro. They heard everything.
That shit crazy, though.
That's it with the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You tripping.
No.
And let me know what y'all want to see next. Hit my DM with any video ideas. And what's your Instagram, bro? What's your Instagram, bro? You don't know your Instagram?
Talking me?
I'm talking about Jabez.
Oh damn, pussy ass nigga, you don't know my fucking.
I'm saying you can say your own Instagram, bro.
Man,
Say your own Instagram, bro.
Man, I'm thugging, nigga. On
His Instagram MHLJ. What's your Instagram, cuz?
Hey, little Tigers.
Little
Man,
Dot
this so
T, man.
ragged ass.
Y'all go follow boys on Instagram. And yeah, I'm out.